nuclear equations. Uranium 92238 turns into thorium plus alpha 2 4. Now we already discussed that why alpha is 2 4. 2 protons and 2 neutrons. So the mass number is 4. Now all we need to do is just look at the balance. You got 92 on the left hand side. So here's 2. Obviously this must be 92 take away 2 90. Look at the mass numbers. 238 is the mass number. Here it is 4. Obviously left hand side and right hand side should be balanced. So 238 take away 4, 234. Really straightforward. Let's look at the next one. Carbon 612 turns into nitrogen plus beta radiation. Now in the exam they might use beta, sometimes they use E. They're both the same. Now the mass numbers should add up to 14. So you can see on the left hand side it's 14. Here it is 0. So obviously this must be 14. Now this second part can be a little tricky. The total here is 6. So you need to think, what number should I write here such that the total is 6? So my total should be 6. So something take away 1 gives me 6. So obviously that must be 7. Let's look at an exam style question. Complete the following nuclear equation by filling in the missing particle. Now I don't know what the particle is, but let's figure out what it is by finding the mass number and the atomic number. 226 take away 222 is obviously 4. 88 take away 86 is 2. So we know it's either alpha, beta or gamma. It cannot be gamma because it's 0, 0. Beta is 0 minus 1. Obviously this one is alpha.